Hi guys, in Big Data Tools and Techniques, experiment 6, it's all about experiment 6 and 7 is all about data partitioning and reprocessing and data processing in a real-time streaming. So all these experiment has been combined together and we are going to go through the experiments. This this experiment demonstrates the concept of partitioning using a partitioning in SpicePark, which is a key feature for optimizing distributed data processing. Partition determines how data is distributed across a nodes or a process in a Spark cluster, directly impacting performance and parallelization. This program begins with the importing the necessary modules, Spark configuration, and Spark context from PySpark. Before initializing the new PySpark context, any existing Spark context is stopped to prevent conflicts. So before initializing, we need to stop the partitioning and except if there is nothing has been started, then we can continue. If it's started, then we need to pause that. Next, helper function named. Before that, we need to parallelize using a parallelize function. A simple data set containing a numbers from 1 to 20 is generated and parallelized into the RDT with 4 partition using a parallelize function. The getNum partitions method confirms that the RDT is divided into 4 separate partition. Partitioning is an important concept in Spark because it allows the data to be processed in a parallel across multiple tasks, improving efficiency. Next, a helper function named impact underscore partition of is defined. The function takes a partition index and an iterator of a data as an input, and it prints out which element belong to the which partition using map partition index. What is map partition with index? The program displays how the original data is distributed across the 4 partition. After displaying the initial layout, the program demonstrates repartitioning, which involves increasing or changing the number of partition. The command rdd underscore repartition equal to rdd dot repartition of 6 creates a new RDD with the 6 partitions. Repartition into 6 partition. Then next, the program demonstrate a equalizing, which is used to equalizing means is used to reduce the number of partition. The command equal to rdd equalize equal to rdd dot equalize of 2 merges the data into 2 partitions without performing a full shuffle, making it more efficient when decreasing the number of partition. The new layout is printed again, showing fewer large partition containing a data per partition, more data per partition. Finally, the Spark context is stopped in. Then we can display the output as initial number of partition equal to 4. There are 4 partition, and after repartition it has been divided into 6. After that, we are with the help of collize, we are making it 6 partition into 2 partition. It's the simplest and easiest way of combining or enlarging it. Thank you.